what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's song is on Talk and it's on the guitar, so let's get started. So this song is pretty simple, not much changes into it. So today we're going to learn the chords, strum pattern, and also some picking. So the chords we're going to start off with, there's going to be 4 chords. The first one is going to be a F major 7. Then the next one is a E minor 7. Then the third chord is going to be a D minor 7. And the last chord is going to be a G7 with the E. So we got the G here. Taking off the pinky is a G7. Placing your pinky here. And you want to get this sound. Alright, so we got these 4 chords here that we're going to be using for the entire song. So for the strum pattern, all we're going to do is down strums and we're going to follow the beat. So it's going to sound like. So right now I'll teach you guys the picking that you can play in the middle. So what it sounds like is like this. And it's pretty quick, so I'll play a little slower. Alright, so let's add in the chords with it. And I know it's a little quick from the picking to the strumming. So you just gotta work your way up, start slow and then try to work your way up to the actual tempo. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.